I'm gonna show you the proper size of the images that you publish on Instagram so you can grab more attention and they look better. And to accomplish that, we're gonna use InShot. This is one of my favorite apps. I love it. It's so good and it actually makes things way easier. And I used other apps before, but this is my favorite one. Let me show you why. So we're gonna start a new project, and then this is how it looks. You can edit video, photo, or you can even make a collage. I love this app. So we're gonna work with a photo, and in this case I'm gonna use a square one. And so this is the first option that I want to show you. Right here on the bottom you have no frame, 1 by 1, 4 by 5, 16 by 9, and 9 by 16. So I'm gonna show you every single one, I mean the first 5 options, and I'm gonna tell you why I use them and why they're convenient. So the first one, if you want to publish something in Instagram, try to make it 1 by 1 plus. Don't make it less than 1 by 1. The more screen your post takes, the better. So this one right here is kind of a square, so I kind of get away with that, and this is like a good size. Let's see the next one, 1 by 1. And as you can see right here, you're adding 2 lines, one on top and one on the bottom, and it's out of focus, but it has the same colors as your image. So that's the second one. This is a good size to publish on Instagram. And then the next one is 4 by 5, and this is the one that I use the most. And the reason why is because it takes more of the actual screen, and it gives me more space to work on. Let me show you why. The thing with this size is that and you can like move the image to the top, move it to the bottom, and it gives you, in my case, since I publish quotes in my Instagram page, I have more room to work with. And let me show you how I do it. I'm gonna go to my Instagram, and I'm gonna show you a few images and point where I use that option. Right here, the first image, like the actual size ends right here, and the other room that I have up here, it's gonna help me out to post a text here, and I can still show the image, and you can see the text and the image, and the more space you have to work on, the better. But if you don't do quotes, that's fine. You can just post the regular image. This one too, you cannot see it because it's black, but let me give you another clear example. Right here we have blue and we have brown, right? And all the brown color is right here on the bottom, and that gave me room to place my text. Another sample right here, this one, the actual size of the image ends right here, but I use InShot, and it gave me more room to work on, and this is the final result. I mean, you have to pay like close attention to see this line right here, but it gets the job done, you know. Like, it's not perfect, but I mean, like, it accomplishes the goal, which is take more room of the screen. And that's it. That, like, yeah, here's another example right here on the bottom. I didn't have like a lot of room to work on this image because everything looks so cool, you know, like right here, like all the birds and this guy walking and like the shark and everything. Like I had no room to work on, so I used InShot to add a little bit more room, and I even had to make the text smaller than I usually make it, so I can fit the text. But I wouldn't be able to do my quote in the image without InShot, because InShot makes the image bigger and it gives me more room to work on. So that's why I use this app. So let's move on the other side, which is this one. I don't recommend to publish any image on this size unless you really have to, like, but if you can avoid it, do it, because the more room you take, the better. And I don't recommend this size. I recommend the actual opposite of this size, because this is landscape and this is portrait mode. And if you tap on this square, it's gonna fit the entire screen. And this is perfect for Instagram stories. If you wanna like publish an image on Instagram stories, this is gonna work so well, because it takes the entire screen and I can still see the text. So this is another good size that I recommend a lot. And you can make it bigger, you can make it smaller, you can put it on the top, the bottom. You can do lots of things and in a very easy way with InShot. But yeah, this is the most common sizes that you can publish, either square or bigger than square, because the more you take of the screen, the better. Thanks for your time, and if you want to support this channel, I'm gonna leave some links in the description.